Every step I take is a step closer to my dreams. The universe flows through me, guiding me effortlessly towards everything I desire. Abundance, love, success. It's all already mine. I walk with confidence, knowing that I am limitless. My energy attracts miracles. My presence magnetizes opportunities, and my heart is open to receiving all the good that's rushing towards me. Like the waves that never stop, my growth is unstoppable. Like the sky that stretches beyond the horizon, my potential is infinite. I don't chase, I don't force, I align. And when I align,